Okay, now you're on candid camera. Oh, I see actually bending your rod too. Yeah, I got to get the net going here.
But not as big as this.
Oh no, it's not going to be as big.
Oh God, look at that giant.
That's the second time that you pulled in a little tiny one, and Roger's got a big one going. Here, take the. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh,
Yeah,
that's gonna beat yours, Paul.
Yeah.
That one pulled drag.
It's a sand bass.
Oh, it's sideways fish. Just another 16-inch one. That's all right. It didn't need the net on that one. No, Roger. Roger, the other way around. Open the drag or the bail.
He never opens his drag. He hasn't learned how to do that. Yeah, that's what I was trying to avoid. Happen, but you don't open your drag.
Hey, good.
Keep it on.
Yeah, makes it easy. Now you can just move the rod out of the way, put it back up in the holder. Yeah, you can do that too.
Okay.
Roger, that's not a good idea.
Boy, he's got some real barbs.
Yeah, okay.
Not too bad.
How big is he?
Isn't it beauty? He's 18.
Well,
18-inch. Sandbag.
a good 17 and a half anyway.
On the YouTube, huh?
Yeah, it will be.
John Farmer, the second one in 5 minutes. Holy smokes, isn't he a beauty? Did you get enough pictures?
Yeah, I got enough for you.
Enough of a ham here?
I know.
What else can I say?
My battery can only hold so much Roger, and then it goes dead.